Autotrophic Nutrition. Auto means self and trophic means nutrition. So it literally means self-nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water present in the surroundings. The green plants have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. The autotrophic cyanobacteria also obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So we can say that those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. The autotrophic organisms contain the green pigment called chlorophyll, which is capable of trapping sunlight, solar energy. The trapped solar energy is utilized by the autotrophs to make food by combining CO2 and water by the process of photosynthesis, and as a result, glucose is formed. Here is the reaction of photosynthesis.